Be a better human for your dog with these tips and tricks. There are many kinds of canines. There are also many kinds of families. It's a big decision to own a dog. In the following paragraphs, you'll find top-notch tips that will help you take great care of your dog. Hot summer days are harder for dogs to handle than humans. Always make sure your pet has enough water to drink. Provide them with a shaded area to rest if they are going to be outside for any length of time. And, if your dog begins acting in an unusual manner, call the veterinarian. Heat stroke could be fatal, so it is important to get medical care as soon as possible. When the dog does something right, be sure to lavish praise on him or her. You need your dog to realize that you're proud of their behavior and want to see it more often. This will also give your dog incentive to be good. Keep your dog at a healthy weight. Plenty of dogs are overweight, and just like humans, this can lead to health issues. People tend to overfeed their dogs, and many also feed them table scraps. A dog doesn't need as many calories as most people think. Talk to your vet about how much you should feed him each day, and what food is most suitable. A vet will advise you based on his size, age and lifestyle. Although the sound may be cute, your dog's nails shouldn't click along the floor when it walks. That's a sign that the nails are too long. The nail should actually just barely touch the ground. Seek the advice of a professional on what tools are the best for giving your dog a pedicure. Are you now feeling like you have what it takes to get into caring for a dog? You now should know a few things that will make you sure that your dog is in good hands. Make use of these great tips to ensure you properly take care of your dog. A professional dog trainer reveals 21 brain games that will skyrocket your dog's intelligence, obedience, and overall behavior. Visit wickedsmartdog.com. You can also discover the secret to making your dog's problem behaviors disappear. Visit wickedsmartdog.com. Or, do you want to learn how to teach your dog to play the piano? How amazing would that be? Please visit wickedsmartdog.com to learn this and more. Link in the description.